Hey guys, what's up? This is Super Unboxings 2 here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Apple wireless keyboard. Alright, sorry guys for the bad camera angle, but this is the best I could get it. So yeah, let's just get to it. This is going to be another quick unboxing, like the Apple Magic Mouse, which is right here. But anyway, just going to figure out how to open this without doing too much damage to the box. I think we'll start here. Alright. Just down that side. Flip it around. Alright, so I am kind of excited about these keyboards. I know it's a little past the time they came out, but no, I'm still into them. Still good keyboards and stuff. So I think it comes out like this. So let me just make sure I get this down here. I think I can rip it off. Yep, there we go. Put that away, don't want to cut ourselves. And get all the shrink wrap off. There we go. And throw the shrink wrap away. Alright, so here's the keyboard box itself without any shrink wrap. Whoosh, woo. There we go. There's the keyboard. If we can get this out without trying too hard. Yeah, there's a little plastic tab right here. So, yep, there's the keyboard. Once again, super thin, super awesome. Runs on AA batteries, which is going right here. Which also gives it a little, I'll do a review on it, but gives it a little spot to prop up if you see that little. So, provides for a good typing angle. And let's just take this plastic off. And should slide out relatively easily. Never mind, not relatively easy. Thought it was supposed to be relatively easy. Probably missing the step here, but it's whatever. There we go, got it. Sorry if that was off frame. Had to look for that, it was a challenge. Oh, look how clean that is. It's not going to stay like that for long, but yeah, there's the bottom. It's got rubber grippies, Apple. Nice. Let's see what else is in the box. Just some documentation. Probably a guide, legal information, all the typical stuff. And that's probably it. So let's just close that, put that in my boxes pile. So yeah guys, that has been Super Unboxings 2, unboxing on the Apple wireless keyboard. So yeah guys, peace.